I'm John, and welcome to the JTL Powersports YouTube channel. Today, behind me, we've got a 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 400 that we're parting out here. Very nice unit. She's got a measly 2,300 miles on her. Fires right up. 2,315 miles. Took a very light spill to the left side, bent the shifter up, knocked off a mirror there, and a little bit of fairing damage right here. Insurance totaled her out. We were gonna fix this one, but we're gonna actually part it out. We just have no use for it. We got too many bikes around here. So we're gonna have a lot of good parts for sale. A very nice red, darn near complete fairing set, stock exhaust, stock wheels. There's no damage to this thing. It is a brand new bike besides that left rear set and a little bit of fairing noise, or sorry, fairing damage. A little bit of fairing noise. Thing runs great. Let it get a little bit of heat over there. Yeah, heat over. Let it get a little bit of heat in her there before we rev it up any higher than that. If you guys are looking for clean 400 parts, this is going to be the one to grab them from. I know a lot of people are looking for these things, and this is the lightest wrecked one I've ever seen at an auction. These things are either destroyed or perfectly fine. This one's perfectly fine. LED headlight appears to be working. While we're waiting for it to warm up, we can go ahead and test the high and low beams. What do we got here? That works. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Test it back here. Yep. Let's see if I can reach and test the brake. Oh yeah, that's right there. There we go, and a brake light. All right, we got 2 bars on the thing, or 2 bars on the cluster. Let's go ahead and rev it. Not bad. Go ahead and shut it down there. Well, as you guys can see, everything works on this bike. We're going to get this thing torn apart here ASAP. By the time you guys see this video, everything will be live in our eBay store. We'll leave a link in the description down below. We're going to have that motor for sale. Like I said, everything you saw here, it really is a brand new bike. So some really, really nice parts. I'm John at JTL Powersports. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Keep it 2 up. Thanks for watching.